Have you ever wondered why Bitcoin is called digital gold? Is it just hype, or is there something truly groundbreaking about it? Bitcoin isn't just another form of money, it's a revolutionary innovation that's transforming the world of finance. Created in 2009, Bitcoin introduced a way for people to exchange value without relying on banks, governments, or any central authority. Over the years, it has grown from a niche concept to a global phenomenon, with millions adopting it as a form of payment, investment, or even as a hedge against inflation. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Bitcoin, what it is, how it works, and most importantly, why it's valuable. By the end, you'll understand why some call it the currency of the future, while others see it as the digital equivalent of gold. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, meaning it operates without any central authority or middleman, like a bank. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, Bitcoin exists solely in digital form and is based on a peer-to-peer network. One of Bitcoin's defining features is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in circulation, making it scarce and immune to inflation caused by excessive money printing. This scarcity is a key reason why Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. Transactions on the Bitcoin network are verified through blockchain technology. The blockchain is a distributed ledger that records every transaction in a transparent and immutable manner. This ensures security and trust without requiring third-party intermediaries. Compared to fiat currencies, Bitcoin offers a new paradigm of trust. While fiat relies on the stability and policies of governments and central banks, Bitcoin relies on cryptographic protocols and mathematical rules. It's borderless, accessible to anyone with an internet connection, and immune to censorship, making it a powerful tool for global financial inclusion. How Bitcoin works. At the core of Bitcoin is blockchain technology. Imagine a public ledger where every transaction is recorded and stored across a network of computers. This ledger is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Each block contains a list of transactions, and these blocks are linked together chronologically, forming a chain. One of the blockchain's greatest strengths is its immutability. Once a transaction is recorded in a block and added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered. This ensures transparency and trust, as anyone can verify the history of transactions on the network. Mining is the process that keeps the Bitcoin network secure and functional. Miners are individuals or entities that use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems ensure that transactions are valid and prevent double spending. When miners successfully solve a problem, they add a new block to the blockchain and are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoin. This reward also serves as an incentive for miners to maintain the network. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network of nodes, computers that store a full copy of the blockchain. This decentralization ensures that no single entity, like a bank or government, can control Bitcoin or shut it down. In contrast to centralized banking systems where a central authority can freeze accounts or manipulate the supply of money, Bitcoin is governed by its users and mathematical rules. This gives it resilience and independence from traditional financial systems. Why Bitcoin is valuable? Bitcoin's value is heavily influenced by its limited supply. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed in unlimited quantities by central banks, Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins. This scarcity ensures that Bitcoin remains resistant to inflation, making it a deflationary asset. As demand grows and supply stays fixed, the value of Bitcoin often increases, creating a strong incentive for long-term holding. Bitcoin is built on cryptographic protocols that make it highly secure and resistant to fraud. Transactions are verified through a decentralized network, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks or payment processors. This not only reduces transaction costs, but also protects users from fraud and censorship, making Bitcoin a trustless, self-contained system. Bitcoin is borderless and operates 24/7, enabling anyone with an internet connection to send or receive payments anywhere in the world. It plays a crucial role in financial inclusion, providing access to banking-like services for the unbanked or underbanked populations, especially in developing countries. Often compared to gold, Bitcoin has become a popular store of value, especially during times of economic uncertainty. It serves as a hedge against inflation, with institutions and individuals increasingly adopting it as part of their investment portfolios. Beyond its role as an investment, Bitcoin has practical applications. It facilitates low-cost remittances, cross-border payments, and even microtransactions. As adoption grows, Bitcoin's utility in everyday life continues to expand, solidifying its role in the global economy. Common criticisms and challenges. One of the biggest criticisms of Bitcoin is its price volatility. Its value can fluctuate wildly in a short period, making it less reliable as a medium of exchange. This unpredictability limits its use as a stable currency for everyday transactions. Bitcoin mining requires immense computational power, which consumes significant amounts of energy. Critics argue that this contributes to environmental degradation, as many mining operations rely on fossil fuels. While renewable energy adoption in mining is increasing, the environmental impact remains a concern. Bitcoin operates outside traditional financial systems, which has led to regulatory challenges. Governments worldwide are still debating how to regulate cryptocurrencies, with some banning them outright and others embracing them cautiously. This lack of clarity creates uncertainty for investors and users. Bitcoin's network can handle only a limited number of transactions per second, around 7, which is significantly slower than traditional payment systems like Visa. This scalability problem has led to higher fees and longer transaction times during periods of high demand, limiting its practicality for everyday use. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin continues to evolve, with ongoing developments like the Lightning Network aimed at addressing scalability and usability issues. Bitcoin's future potential. Bitcoin's adoption continues to grow as major companies, banks, and even governments recognize its potential. Corporate giants like Tesla and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, while banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs now offer Bitcoin-related services. Governments in countries such as El Salvador have gone as far as adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, sparking conversations about broader acceptance. The introduction of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, has made it easier for traditional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly purchasing it. Additionally, advancements like the Lightning Network are addressing scalability challenges, enabling faster and cheaper transactions, paving the way for Bitcoin's use in everyday commerce. Bitcoin is poised to play a crucial role in Web3, the decentralized internet, and the growing DeFi ecosystem. As a foundational cryptocurrency, it could serve as a trusted reserve asset for decentralized financial systems. Its decentralized nature aligns perfectly with the principles of Web3, potentially shaping the future of financial and online interactions. Experts have mixed predictions for Bitcoin's future value. Some believe it could reach $500,000 or even $1 million per coin as adoption and scarcity drive demand. Others caution that volatility and regulatory uncertainties could lead to setbacks. Disclaimer: Bitcoin's price is speculative and subject to market risks. Investing in Bitcoin requires thorough research and understanding of its volatility. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a revolutionary technology reshaping the global financial landscape. From its decentralized nature to its potential to empower the unbanked, Bitcoin represents innovation, resilience, and freedom. However, understanding Bitcoin fully is crucial before diving into the market. It's a volatile and speculative asset, and being informed can make all the difference between a smart investment and a risky gamble. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with someone curious about Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin isn't just a currency, it's a movement shaping the future of finance. Whether it's through adoption, technological advancements, or its role in creating a decentralized economy, Bitcoin's story is far from over. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the world of cryptocurrency.